Hey, if you are facing foreclosure in Springfield, Ohio, the worst thing that you could do is ignore it and hope that the problem goes away. The sooner you understand your option and the more control you may have over what happens to you next. My name is Stephen Solomon with Comfort Living Buys Houses. Since 2013, my team and I have been helping homeowners throughout Springfield and Clark County sell difficult properties and move forward without necessary delays, repairs, or commission. In this video, I'm going to explain some of the main options you may have if your Springfield house is in foreclosure or maybe you have fallen behind on mortgage payments. This is not legal or financial advice. Every situation is different. You should speak with a qualified attorney. This is not legal advice or financial advice, but this video should give you a clear idea of where to start. First, don't ignore the letters, okay? Don't ignore the phone calls or the legal documents related to the property. Foreclosure problems usually become harder and more expensive to deal with when homeowners wait until the last minute. So open the mail, keep copies of everything, write down important dates, and find out exactly how much is owed, including the missed payments, the late fees, the legal fees, the taxes, other liens that are against the house. Once you know the numbers, you can start evaluating your options. Your first option may be to catch up on the loan. If the financial problem was temporary and now you have enough income and savings, ask the mortgage company what it would take to make the loan current. You may also be able to request a repayment plan, forbearance plan, or a loan modification. These options are not guaranteed, but it is worth contacting the lien holder and asking them what options may be available. So don't assume the lender will automatically offer you the best solution. Ask them questions, get the terms in writing, and make sure you understand whether the proposed payment is actually affordable over the long run. So not just next week, not next month, but can you actually tackle these payments? Your second option may be to list a house with a real estate agent. This can make sense if the property is in good condition, you have enough time before the foreclosure date, and there is enough equity to pay for the mortgage, the commission, the repairs, and the closing costs. The problem is that a traditional sale may take time. You may need to clean the property, complete the repairs, prepare for showings, negotiate inspection requests, and wait for the buyer's financing and appraisal to come through. If you have enough time and the house is ready for the market, listing it may produce the highest price. But if the house does need major work or you're running out of time, a traditional house listing may not be the best option. The third option may be to sell the house directly to a cash home buyer in Springfield, Ohio. That's us. This is where our company may be able to help you. Comfort Living Buys Houses buys directly from homeowners. So you don't have to make repairs. The house is being sold as is. And you don't have to clean the house. You don't have to remove unwanted furniture. You can leave the trash in the property. If you have personal belongings, that's perfectly fine. There's no real estate commission, and there are no traditional buyer finances, or contingencies of any sorts. Because we buy with cash, you may also be able to close much faster than a traditional buyer. Selling quickly may allow you to pay off the mortgage, avoid additional holding costs, protect any remaining equity, and move you forward on your own terms. But I also want to be honest with you. A direct cash sale is not always the best option. If the house is fully renovated, you have plenty of time, and your main goal is getting the highest possible retail price, listing with an agent may make more sense. Our service is usually better fit for homeowners who value speed, certainty, privacy, and the simplicity. For example, we often speak with Springfield homeowners dealing with inherited properties, vacant properties, code violation, major repairs, unpaid taxes, problem properties, that folks can't afford. So if that sounds like your situation, the first step is simply having a conversation with us. We ask you a few simple questions about the home, the mortgage balance, the property condition, and the timeline. We also review the available information, explain whether we're able to make you a real cash offer. Again, there's no obligation to accept, and we will not tell you that selling to us is the only option. The goal is to help you understand the numbers so you can make the best decision before someone else makes it for you. So if you're behind on your payments, receiving foreclosure notices, or need to sell the house before the foreclosure starts in Springfield, Ohio, give us a call at 937-915-3737, or you could visit us at comfortlivingbuyshouses.com. We are local. Our office is located right here at 1131 North Murray Street. We're a local veteran business. You can speak with me directly, or you can speak with someone from my team. We're not a national call center like a lot of these wannabe investors. Again, the most important thing is to act early. The more time you have, the more options you may have. So call us at 937-915-3737, or visit us online at comfortlivingbuyshouses.com to discuss your Springfield property. Again, my name is Stephen Solomon. I look forward to speaking with you.